Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。Today we will learn the imperative sentence together. In Chinese, is 祈使句. So, what is an imperative sentence? These sentences express command, requests, advice, wishes, or prohibitions. If you know English grammar, you will say that is a sentence beginning with a verb without subject and ending with an exclamation point, right? Many people don't like speaking imperative sentence in conversation because it seems not so polite or kind enough. Yes, in Chinese, to some extent, it's similar. But there are also some polite ways to use imperative sentences in Chinese properly. Today, let's see them. First of all, we should know an important Chinese character is 请. 请. 请 is just like please in English, usually to express a request. For example, 请坐. 请坐 means sit down please. 请进. 请进 come in please. If we want to show not to do something, we will use 请勿. 请勿. 请勿 means don't do something, a little serious. So in some public areas, 请勿 is used more. For example, 请勿吸烟 means no smoking. 请勿大声喧哗 means keep quiet please. Something like this. And second, we use the modal particles in the imperative sentence. Sometimes if we use the modal particles, the tone will be more smooth, polite, and not so serious. Always used to express advice or wishes. The modal particles have 吧, 啦, 呗, 呢. They are all pronounced as a neutral tone. For example, 别开玩笑啦. Let's analyze the difference with the 别开玩笑. If we say 别开玩笑, so serious, maybe you are angry. It means no joking here. But if we say 别开玩笑啦, 别开玩笑啦, have la at the end of the sentence, will be more relaxed. Maybe more potential meaning is that it's a time for us to change another topic. Something like this. More examples? 少说几句吧. 少说几句吧. Express advice. 尝尝看呢. 尝尝看呢 means have a taste please. 别生气呀. 别生气呀 means don't be angry with me. A little sorry for you. 不要担心呢 means don't worry. It will be okay to comfort somebody. So you got it, the difference? Nowadays, in our daily life, we always use the social software to communicate with others. So sometimes we cannot know what others doing and what's about their emotion. Maybe sometimes just one more word can change the emotion, the attitude, or the feelings in our conversation. So these modal particles are really important in Chinese language. In fact, in the cross-cultural communication, I think it's more inclusive. We know that we have different cultural backgrounds, different lifestyle. So when we communicate with others, we will just pay attention to the meaning in a conversation. Just like when I speak English, I often make some mistakes as well. But some people can still understand what I want to express. Language learning is a process that can enrich our knowledge, and through that, we can accept and understand more. So, hope that my videos can help you learn Chinese. And today our videos is coming to an end. Have you learned something about the imperative sentences? See you next time. Bye!